Better out than in.
Oh, did we learn it? Excuse me. Oh my god.
We're cooking for you. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Oh, who did that?
Kayla, yeah, we can't. Kate, go again. You're a freak. Oh. You did it.
Excuse me, sorry.
She is a good person. But honestly, I don't feel like fire, you know. So masculine. You know. I don't remember what I was gonna say.
But that is okay. That is Serenity. She's main character. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm.
Also ich bin ja nicht Dolly.
Fuck yeah, I can. Fuck. I am really good at burping when it's not on command. But
It's gonna smell like Jersey Mike's and cucumbers.
I am telling you right now that it's on video of Shan.
Excuse me. You know what? A girl can't burp. A girl can't burp. Let me burp. Jesus. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. It's just my coffee.
I'm giving that a 1 out of 10 on taste and maybe like a 7, 8 out of 10 on the burp factor for me.
I feel like I'm gonna burp. Oh god. I feel like I'm gonna burp. Oh no. I feel so warm and icky now. I still feel like we're gonna burp. Oh.